Have you ever worried that AI is coming for your job? It's a question on everyone's mind. We hear a lot about AI replacing humans, but what if the story is more complicated and, surprisingly, more optimistic? Let's dive into the future of work, explore the paradoxes of AI, and uncover how it might just lead to a rebirth of the middle class. For decades, we've seen a trend. Technology automates routine tasks, pushing workers into either high-skilled, creative roles or low-skilled service jobs. This has squeezed the middle class, creating a polarized job market. It feels like you either have to be a genius programmer or you're restuck in a dead-end job. AI seems poised to accelerate this, right? Well, not exactly. Here's the first paradox. AI is becoming incredibly good at tasks we once thought required high-level human intellect, like coding, writing, and even medical diagnosis. Think about it. AI can now generate complex code from a simple text prompt. It can write marketing copy, draft legal documents, and analyze medical scans with superhuman accuracy. This means the very high-skilled jobs that were supposed to be our safe haven are now facing automation. But at the same time, AI still struggles with tasks that require physical dexterity, common sense, and real human interaction, things we find in many so-called low-skilled jobs. A robot can't yet comfort a patient, negotiate a complex business deal with genuine empathy, or fix a unique plumbing issue in a 100-year-old house. This creates a fascinating reversal. The skills that are hardest to automate are not necessarily the ones that require a college degree. They are skills rooted in our humanity, empathy, creativity, critical thinking, and physical craftsmanship. This is the great opportunity for the middle class. Instead of a hollowed-out middle, we might see a refilled middle. The future of work won't be about competing with AI on logic and data processing. That's a losing game. It will be about partnering with AI. Imagine a plumber using AI to diagnose a complex leak before they even arrive, or a nurse using an AI assistant to handle paperwork, freeing them up to spend more quality time with patients. A graphic designer can use AI to generate a dozen initial concepts in seconds, then apply their unique artistic vision to refine the best one. In this future, AI becomes a powerful tool, an amplifier for human skill, not a replacement. It takes care of the routine and the tedious, allowing us to focus on the parts of our jobs that are meaningful and require a human touch. This shift values practical skills and emotional intelligence just as much, if not more, than pure academic knowledge. It means that tradespeople, caregivers, craftspeople, and community organizers could see their value skyrocket. The path to a stable, middle-class life might no longer be a 4-year degree, but a focus on developing uniquely human skills that AI can't replicate. The future isn't about humans versus machines, it's about humans with machines. By embracing AI as a collaborator, we can redefine what valuable work means and build a more inclusive, prosperous, and human-centric economy. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into our changing world.